Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be learning how to solve one-step equations with integers. So let's get started. The basic concept behind all of this is just to isolate the variable, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So for example, in number 1 it says 10 equals z plus 6. So to isolate z, you have to undo the plus 6 by subtracting 6. Just do the opposite operation, and that will give you your answer. So if you subtract 6 from both sides, then you're basically canceling out the z, and then that will give you 4 equals z. That should be simple enough, so let's continue. For number 2, it says 8y equals 48. So to do this, you have to divide both sides by 8 since you're multiplying y by 8. That will get y by itself and give you y equals 6. Let's move on to another example. For number 3, it says q minus 12 equals 1. So here we're subtracting 12 from q to get 1. So you have to add 12 to both sides so it cancels out, and that gives you q equals 13. You basically just have to do the opposite operation of whatever you're adding or subtracting or dividing or multiplying to the variable to get it alone. For number 4, it says 18 equals a divided by 2. Since this is a division, the opposite of division is multiplication, so you're supposed to multiply both sides by 2 to get a by itself, and that gives you 36 equals a. For number 5, it says r divided by 3 equals 7. Again, the opposite of division is multiplication, so you have to multiply both sides by 3, and that gives you r equals 21. For number 6, it says 11 equals m minus 4. What's the opposite of subtraction? It's addition, so you have to add 4 to both sides, and that gives you 15 equals m. For number 7, it says t minus 19 equals 2. Since we're subtracting 19 from t to get 2, you have to add 19 to both sides to isolate the t, since addition is the opposite of subtraction, and that gives you t equals 21. For number 8, this is fairly simple. 1 plus s equals 3. Subtract 1 from both sides, and that gives you s equals 2. For number 9, it says 24 equals 4c. What's the opposite of multiplication? It's division, so you have to divide both sides by 4 to isolate the c, and that gives you 6 equals c. And for the last question, we have b divided by 5 equals 9. What's the opposite of division? It's multiplication, so you have to multiply both sides by 5, and that gives you v equals 45. So basically you have to do the same set of steps for every single time you're trying to solve a one-step equation. And yeah, it's a fairly simple concept, and I hope this helped. Alright everyone, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!